Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Rhythm Roads and Runs. So friends, right now I am in Canada and today I am going to show you the beautiful Niagara Falls. So friends, let's meet at the end of the video. Till then, stay with me and watch the video till the end. And yes friends, if you like my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.
We're chasing dreams through pixel streams, dancing shadows under glowing beams.
Right now friends, we are on the way, and as I told you at the beginning of the video, today I am taking you to see the beautiful Niagara Falls. So friends, stay tuned with the video till the end, and for now just sit back and enjoy these amazing views.
Sol y arena, oh so bright. Baila conmigo toda la night. El ritmo suena, can you feel? Move your body, it's so real. Vuélvete loco.
Just look at this beautiful view friends, Niagara Falls. I am having so much fun. Such a beautiful view. I have hardly ever seen anything like this.